So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment AI in accounting week 4th assignment. So the first question is, what is the primary benefit of using AI in accounting? So these are the options: to reduce manual tasks, to improve data accuracy and decision making, to increase the need for IT specialists, to reduce client interaction. So the answer of our first question is B, to improve data accuracy and decision making. Now the second question is, which AI technology is commonly used for processing invoices in accounting? So these are the option: neural network, decision tree, optical character recognition, blockchain. So the answer of our second question is the optical character recognition, OCR. Now the third question is, AI can aid in fraud detection by dash. So these are the options: generating financial reports, analyzing transaction patterns, increasing data entry task, reducing audit scope. So the answer of third question is B, analyzing transaction patterns. Now the fourth question is, what role does machine learning play in predictive accounting? So these are the options: creates physical ledger, reduces data points for analysis, predict future financial trends, simplifies regulatory compliances. So the answer of our fourth question is C, predict future financial trends. Now the fifth question is, which of the following is a use case of AI in budgeting and forecasting? So these are the option: data detection, data encryption, expense classification, increasing manual errors. So the answer of our fifth question is the expense classification. Now the sixth question is, natural language processing NLP enhances accounting by dash. So these are the option: translating documents, reading and interpreting textual data, reducing communication with clients, coding software applications. So the answer of our sixth question is B, reading and interpreting textual data. Now the seventh question is, AI improves audit process by dash. So these are the option: ignoring anomalies, focusing on a smaller data set, providing real-time analysis, decreasing transparency. So the answer of our seventh question is C, providing real-time analysis. Now the eighth question is, in accounting robotic process automation RPA is used to dash. So these are the option: increase processing time, manual enter data, automate repetitive tasks, reduce software usage. So the answer of our eighth question is also C, automate repetitive tasks. Now the ninth question is, what is an example of AI impacting decision making in accounting? So these are the option: decreasing available financial data, enhancing errors rate in calculation, offering insights from big data analytics, limiting access to financial forecasts. So the answer of our ninth question is also C, offering insights from big data analytics. Now the tenth question is, which technology is crucial for enhancing real-time financial reportings? So these are the option: cloud-based AI computing, manual spreadsheet, optical disk, paper-based documentation. So the answer of our 10th question is A, cloud-based AI computing. So submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this